Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Docs text format. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply show you on how to simply increase Google Docs text index without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Docs text. And right here, let's say I want to increase the index of this particular text right here. What we want to do is to select from the beginning and we highlight this way. Then when you highlight, then you have to come to the top right here where you have decreasing intent or decreasing, where you have decrease indent or increase indent. So you can simply tap on here, and once you click on that, it's automatically move. Then alternatively, you can make use of the command key, which is Control plus close bracket, Control plus close bracket. The more you press Control plus close bracket, the more the indent of your text increasing. It's as simple as that. If you want to decrease the indent, you can simply click on this one right here. It will decrease the indent. So basically, this is how to increase or decrease indent of text in Google Docs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.